How you guys doing today? Today I have uh, 2016 Toyota Tundra. I have a bunch of codes: P0500, P0210, C0210, C0215, and C1201. But the main code was the rear lift EBS sensor, which is C0215. So on the live data, when I spin the wheel, all of them reading except the rear left. So what you can do, you can swap the front left ABS sensor with the rear left, not the rear right. You're gonna have to swap either this side with that side or the front side with the rear side. So I did swap them and I still have no reading. By the way, when I drove the car also, there's something that I never seen before. I seen the fuel gauge keep going up and down and shows like no fuel. And then the speedometer also was not working, was not reading. The four-wheel drive light, like basically the whole lights came on, even the check engine light. And then the truck slowed down for a little bit. Even when you accelerate, it doesn't go over like 10 miles per hour. And trying to find the problem, check the wires, I check everything basically, and I still have the same issue. So let me show you what did I found. Because basically when you check the wires in EBS sensor, in the end you only have the hub bearing or the EBS module. So look what I did here. Let's check this one. If you do have a scanner, you go on live data, you just turn the truck on, but don't start it. And what you need to do, if you want to check the sensor first, you get a magnet and disconnect the sensor, and you gotta go closer to the sensor and see if there is any reading. Let's see. Yeah, you see now. I have no holder, sorry. Yeah, you see now how it moves? That means the sensor and the wire harness is good, because it's because it's reading now. So what we have next, it could be the hub bearing. So if I spin this one now, you can see the rear lift is working, and this one is still not working. One more thing you can do is you put the sensor like that, but don't put it in all the way. You gotta wiggle a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right. Sometimes it's like misalignment, and turn the wheel. See, the other one picked it up. This one, he picked it up later. Or so you get a wiggle, and then spin. Still showing 0. Oh, now it's picking up. Okay. So now we have a problem with the hub bearing ringtone. And what I found out is who installed this, he did it, he installed it wrong way, or he used something like a cheap brand or something like this. So the problem is actually the hub bearing. But let me show you one trick, because the code that I have that make me go crazy is the rear lift one, not this one basically. So look what I did here. I wiggle it. I find out that the alignment, or who installed this. Basically, the problem is the hub bearing, don't get me wrong. I just did this to make sure the problem is the hub bearing. So I stick this one right there, because before it was reading 0, the rear left. Now when I spin it, after I align it a little bit, now when I spin it, it's reading. Now I have the problem with the rear right. So basically I need both axle or both hub bearing to be replaced. So that's my issue. I just sharing it because it takes me a while to figure it out, and might someone looking for it. So you don't, like the other codes, it just pops up because of the of this EBS sensor. So you don't have to replace like the transmission speed sensor or anything like that. This EBS sensor is the main problem of the whole issue that I have. Like the other code I just show you, and I'll put it down in the description. And what happened with the fuel gauge and the speedometer, all this because of the rear lift EBS problem. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment below, and please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.